Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you Bosiwo outdoor security camera 1080p waterproof Wi-Fi CCTV camera with night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, outdoor camera, compatible with Alexa and cloud service, power service AC. This is a popular CCTV camera. Let's have a look to the demo. It's compatible with Alexa, smart motion detection, receiving real-time motion alert pushed to the mobile phone, can manually set schedulable motion detection, timing recording, motion recording according to your requirements. View from anywhere on PC, web browser and smartphone, iPhone and Android. Support MicroSD card up to 128 GB. Easier to connect and installation. Updated Wi-Fi performance has promoted easier Wi-Fi setup and stabler Wi-Fi connection. No worries about Wi-Fi camera setup or camera loose connection issue anymore. If you want to visit or buy this product, please go to my description box and click the link to go to the website where you will be able to buy it. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for the upcoming new technologies, and you can comment and like as well. Any of your comment will be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching everyone, and take care of yourself, and see you next time. Till then, bye bye.